Making your dream happen takes knowledge and action. Santa is not going to bring you your dream. You must do something. And once you're in motion, good things happen in the form of resources and people, and opportunities can come your way. Do not worry about what you do not have. Focus on what you do have and figure out a way to do something today. The magic will only happen once you get started. The mindset of wanting to get something for nothing violates the natural laws of the universe. Looking for the quick and easy route does not work. A friend from Ghana told me once, "There's no shortcut to the top of the palm tree."